Good morning, friends. I had a great privilege this morning of meeting with some friends that moved here in January. They came here from Florida. It's a young couple, super nice people, Sarah and Paul Florestal, and their two wonderful kids. And when I come back, we have a special message for some friends in Texas.
Hey! Roger! Oh, Rocket Chick Roger! Hello there.
Standing here today in front of the Pacifico Mall here in Ponte Ecuador with my new friends that I just met in Florestals. They came in here in January, and we want to say hello to the Rivers family in Forest Lake, Texas. That includes, we want to say hello to the Rivers family in Big Lake, Texas, where there is no lake, right?
Correct.
Take your glasses off your face.
There you go.
You can't see your eyes. Oh my God, here comes some real cameramen. But anyway, we want to say hello to Heather, Jamal, Sophia, Javon, Ezel, Ziani, Alon, Layla, and that's it. That's the Rivers family. Hello from Ecuador. Hey, hi. All right. Thank you guys.